koala. Hi everyone, we're at the Glass House Mountain Lookout Point. Have a great view of all the different peaks. We're going to head down and go for a bit of a hike around one of them. I'm off on a hike right now, going to hike around the base of Mount Tibrogargan, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's one of the mountains here in the Glass Mountains range. The hike is about 4 kilometers in length, just a bit of climbing involved to look out, and should take me about an hour and a half. Sally's gonna stay at the camper van and relax. It's still a bit surreal to think of being here in Australia, out for my own little bushwalk. The flora, the fauna is so different from home. A week ago I was hiking up on Blackcomb Mountain, and now a week later, or just over a week later, here I am in Sunshine Coast hiking the Glass Mountains. I look out at this expansive forest here, and I think there must be a koala bear somewhere in this forest. It would be neat to see one right now. I keep looking up at the trees, but no luck yet. Maybe before the end of the hike. This has been a fun hike to do, a relaxing one with some incredible views. Just take a look at that. That is a incredible sight to see.